Python tutorial on how to read and write from MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. You can set up access to MongoDB for free, mongodb.com. There's an option for shared and free. Choose create. Enter your details on the screens and create a cluster. You'll need a connection string for the Python code. Select connect your application. Where you see MongoDB plus serve, you'll be able to copy the connection string. You can download example Python code, reading and writing from MongoDB at the Tech Idea Factory website on the lessons page. Also in our latest newsletter there'll be a link to the code. You'll need to pip install PyMongo. Here's the code which imports a PyMongo package and gets a connection to the cluster using the Mongo client class. You get access to the DB company and the collection employee. To insert data, call the insert1 method, passing in the data in JSON format. This will insert a single document in the collection. You can insert multiple documents in the collection by using insert many. Here document 1 and document 2 are in JSON format. On the MongoDB website you can view your collection records. You can query a collection by using the find method. You pass in the criteria in JSON format. Here we're passing in an. You can then loop through the results. This find statement is searching for documents with age greater than 21. You can also use regular expression. This find statement is looking for names beginning with the letters AN. To update the document, call the update1 method. Here the criteria is name equals AN, and we're using the set operator to set the type equal to PT, age equal to 30, and country equal to UK. You can delete one document. Here we're setting the criteria to name equals AN. You can also delete multiple documents using delete many. Here the criteria is age greater than 21.